Hey, today I wanted to go into Michael's and see what they have in new for the spring season. So they have out a lot of great things, but they do still have St. Patrick's Day items, and they are on sale right now for 50% off. So if you're looking, you might want to grab those. But they do have a ton of cute spring items for all kind of different decors. So they have wreaths. They have this one right here for $45, and then it is on sale too. So they have ribbon. The ribbon is 40% off, and you can see they have a lot of different styles. So if you're doing crafts, different things like that. And this ribbon right here is $4, and then like you said, 40% off. Signage, this one right here, $20. It's super pretty with the green trim and things like that on it. They have little signage, that one right there. They have those leaning door signs, just so many pieces that you can grab right now. And again, they are 30% off. They have these cute little pillows, and if you can see the flowers on that were like 3D. This one I thought was super cute. So it's like kind of like that moss look, $20, and then again 30% off. They have this little bunny here, and they do have those kind of bunnies too at Target too, if you can find them. This little bunny here, so cute with the letters in it, and then it's like a I would put something in it. It's kind of like a planter. Maybe, I don't know, $25 for that one right there, or you could just leave it as is. I don't know, but it might look cute with some flowers in it or something. More signage, just so many cute things. So these are cute because you just toss them on your shelves, and they're only $10, and then the 30% off, so they're like $7. But just so many cute little pieces of signage, different things that you can just put around your house. That one, $13. Just a ton of spring stuff. I like these mason jars, so they had them in two colors at my Michael's, but I don't know if you can tell, it's like kind of like that speckled kind of look. It's just like super pretty. $15 for that, and then a little bunny on there. I thought that was cute. This right here, I think this be cute both ways. So they had it standing up, but you can see it's supposed to be laying like that, and then you put things in it. And it is $13, but you can even do like maybe one of those faux greenery walls with this and put like, greenery in there. I don't know. You can do a lot of different things. More cute signage options. They have that Amazing Grace one there I thought was pretty. They have this cross here for $10. Just like a ton of different things. So whatever you're looking for, they really have. So they have these little faux plants here for $5. And then, see, imagine that together. So cute. So you could put like some little greenery in there and just make something real cute with this. But like, you could leave it as is too, but they have so many different options. Cute wreaths. This ladder I thought was cute with the little faux greenery and things on it. So just a lot of cute little options right now. The wreath was $60, and then remember it's going to be 30% off, but just so many things. And like the spring one's going to be good for Easter and into for the rest of spring too, so you can use them all around. Bunnies, another one that I think are great, and those came in the brown and then in a white, and they're $35. And then remember, again, on sale. This I just think is a cute piece. So this is like the window frame, and then it has a little wreath over it. You can create something like this too. This one was $35. Super cute. These pillows I thought were cute, really pretty, and they can go with a lot of different styles and homes. These little like half eggs, but they were cute. So they're $10, and then they have like a little speckled texture detail. These I thought were really pretty. I was trying to take off the top because I'm like, you put something in there, but they have the opening at the bottom. And then I think that'd be cute with like a little LED light or something. And those were $25. You could put some other kind of decor in there. Really pretty. This just other spring like decor. So it's not Easter, but I just think this would be pretty for spring, just the colors, and this could really go all year round. So they have a lot of letters, $20 for that one, and then you can hang them on the wall. They have the hook there, and they have several different letters. You can create a whole word, you can just do one letter. This I thought another nice neutral piece. So you can put these on the shelves by themselves. You can put these in a bowl. They're kind of like a glass ceramic type material. $15 for that one. You can see they had different textures and some slightly smaller. These little beads I thought was so cute. Okay, so they have this one right here for $10, and then they have these other ones, and I just think they all look pretty together because they're just nice neutral colors. So you can imagine stacking these in a tray. You can imagine using these individually. The other ones for $15, but I just thought they were real pretty. So you might want to grab some of those. This right here, great for like at the front door if you want to put your keys, different things. $27 for that. And all of this is on sale too. These I thought, so if you're looking to change up your numbers on your home or something like that, so they kind of have like that antique like look. They're not like super, super rusted, but I'm imagining over time with the elements, they'll get a little bit more rustic looking like. This right here for the laundry room. So this really has real tips on, how to remove those stains. I just thought something cute. So $30 for that, and it makes a cute piece of decor, and it's also, useful at the same time. And then they have other laundry room things too that you might want to take a look at, but just a lot of pretty things. You can see those numbers there displayed. So I just think those are super pretty. I don't know, but they will go with a lot of different, home styles. This right here, $8. So the little letters on the end of those beads, and you can see the brown beads in the back. So if you didn't like the white ones, the brown beads are there also. $30 for this vase here. Those are pretty with the little hanging flowers in it. More signage, just a ton of things that I think would transform your home into kind of like that spring look. $15 for that sign there. Just so many different things. And then these kind of give me like that antique look. We'll look at those in a second. But more spring stuff. So they have those little egg decor pieces there. And you can also create something like that. So you can use Michael's for inspiration. I say it all the time. That bunny is cute, $60, and he has a little backpack with his little thing stuffed in it. That one right there would make a great centerpiece. This one with the little basket here, $60. And then again, on sale, storage. So if you change up, for the seasons in your office or places like that, or you just want something pretty, I think the colors are pretty. So $25 for that one right there. And then you can see it had other color options. So you might want to head down to Michael's and, start changing things up for the season. This will make a cute little table centerpiece where you can put little things in it, kind of like a big old catch-all, or you can put candles and stack them in it. Signage, $8 for those. It needs to be cute, hanging on shelves, different places. I thought this was just cute. You can put something in it, you can leave it as is, but I thought it was cute. $20, and then that's something that you can really leave out all year. This bell, I just thought it was interesting because it's a real functional bell. So $15 for that. Just thought it was cute. This right here, this is another one you can put a little plant in the back. Super cute, $30. And then again, on sale. More cute signage. I like the little signage where it has the letters that go through it. So they had a few options for those, which I thought were super cute. So you might want to grab something like that because it has, one big word and then the words that go through it. I thought those are cute. $27. This little like rustic like box, and you can put something in there. $20. This I just think is so cute. I like things that look old. So this kind of has like that old look to it. $20, and it's different. So it's not like the average picture frame that you would get. Just a ton of cute things right now at Michael's. $37 for that. That's another one that looks like, an old window frame or something like that. A better look at those beads that we saw before. This, I'm not really into bugs or anything, but I just thought that was like a real pretty piece to hang, especially if you're into things like that. And then it just says spring because of all of the little butterflies and stuff. Pedestals for your candles. These little flower arrangements right here, I think they would be cute in this vase right here. So $8 for that vase, and it came in the clear and in the yellow. And then you have this one right here. So you can put these type flowers in something else, I just, inspiration. So it's $20 for that one, but I think it'd be cuter together in the other one. Candle pedestals, like I said, they have the big ones, they have smaller ones. This I just thought was a little interesting little thing here. This is the smaller little candle pedestal here. Just a lot of cute options. And again, we're looking at those beads again, just so you can see them. But I think the colors all go together, so you can mix and blend these. This something cute. So it's like it looks like a little birdhouse. I don't know if it's really for outside, but I think it'd be cute as a piece of decor to have, around your home. So you might want to grab something like that. Another little like bird nest thing. I know this is not for outside, but this is a cute piece of decor too. And they have that in the bigger and then in the smaller size. These are the pieces that look, more Victorian like, so $20 for that one. This little tray right here, so it has a little top on it, and all of these pieces, go together. Those big flowers, so you can do something cute with those. That one was $15, and then they have one that's slightly bigger. But and then this right here, I just wanted to show you. So if you wanted to create something like this, it's just blocks together. So $20, you would just paint them. I did a DIY on my other page for that. And then you could put wording on them. If you have a Cricut, you do it with stickers and then wrap the twine around it. So you can create something just like that. But they have it there. And then this, another cute piece. So you can hang your jewelry in here, different things. And you can also hang this on the wall. $40 for it. And I just thought it was cute. One of them was missing the handles, so you just make sure you check it out before you get it. And then the little post box, thought that was pretty too. And you can actually probably put this outside because it has a little hooks on it, $30. But I just think those pieces are real pretty. So if you're into that vintage Victorian look, they have a sale on that right now. You can see the 40% off right there. So, and all of the pieces go together really, really well. So you might want to grab those. This little cute vase was a little like, his face is like kind of smug, right? So I don't know, $20 for that one. This one, another pretty one. And you can just see how they all go together when you see them sitting next to each other. $30 for that. And you can hang that. See that hook up top? You can hang that from the wall and then put something in there. A lot of pretty office decor. So if you are looking to change up your office, you're working from home, you have a little space, you can put these things on your vanity too. This little signage here, $10, and it has a bunch of different sayings on it. They just have a ton of pieces. This calendar here, I like these type of calendars. So you just move the numbers and the months around and you can just change it up. And it's just that one piece, $25, not bad at all. Cute little throw pillows. So if you have like a little chair in your office or some other space, you can put these out. So $30 for that one right there. And then they have this little shelf right here. I thought it was cute. So if you're looking for extra shelves, you can put decor on there. You can put extra things that you might need in your office space. You can even use those in your room. That one was $35. They have those flowers there, but in different colors that we saw. This pillow here with the little lashes, you can use this in your room too. $20. This right here, I thought it was cute like that, but it goes flat. But I thought it was cute like that. I don't know. You can use this that long way, and then you can put makeup brushes and stuff in there for your vanity, different things. But that was $25. You can get the smaller one here with just the one piece, $13. Signage, wall art. These I think are great. So they come with two parts, so the top and the bottom there. And then they had them in different colors. So they had that for $40. And then, like I said, it came in the black and then in the gold, and then you can see the matching parts to go with it. So you can get other mesh pieces, little letter mugs here, the monogram mugs. So they had those available for $10. So you can see like the smaller piece here, and then you will see a thing that this can go with too. So that was $13 for that one there. And then they have these little bubble art letters. So like I said, they have a lot of different letters. So these give you that balloon look. And then they had I think all of the letters they had there. There's another little shelf that you can put up. You can even leave this sitting flat on your table. $30 for that one. And then this is the like kind of, it's not a pegboard, but the mesh board the metal mesh board that you can put the things on. So $25, and it's a good size for it. And then you can see all the pieces that go with it. But you can, even they have the gold one there, but you can put the black one. I didn't see the board in a different color, but you can, spice it up and change up the pieces that you do put on it. But they had all the pieces. I don't see hooks for those pieces right there, but I'm not sure you can attach it because it was together. This sign, don't wish for it, work for it. Thought that was cute. And then, your whole wall will look the same. That was $17. And then there's some more letters because, yeah, you might want to spell out something. $10 for those. More of those pieces. Again, I think these are good for your office, for your vanity. So $30 for that one right there. Just a ton of stuff to make like a nice, cohesive look, like they say. So they have this one right here. So $10. Okay. And it's kind of like a ceramic. So they have Be Kind, Be You, and then they have that one right there that says Be Brave. You could put up all three. You could put up one. You could do however you want. This clock right here, I just think it kind of has a vintage look to it. Thought that was super cute. So $27 for that. But like I said, just a ton of cute pieces. This little piece right here, I just thought it was cute. I would like that on the shirt. So they have that for $13. Really, I would like that on the shirt. I'm thinking about putting that on the shirt. All right, then this one, my favorite sign, Think Like a Boss, because I like those little strike through pieces. And that one was $17. So you might want to head over to Michael's and pick some stuff up.